How to change TikTok notification sound in iPhone device. For that, first of all, launch your settings on your device. Once you are on your settings homepage, scroll down. There you will find out TikTok application. Once you found out TikTok application, simply tap on it. From here, go through the notifications and make sure that you have allowed notification. Now, as you can see, there is no any option to change the notification sound in your iPhone. But you have several options of using different app for ringtone. You can use that. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.